Lots of implications of the Justice Mudgal panel report, but what we're learning at Headlines today that in fact there's not going to be one single report but 2 volumes of reports submitted. There has been disagreement within the panel and therefore the panel has been divided, so as to say, and 2 volumes, 2 separate reports are being submitted of about 85 pages each. Boria, massive development as far as this this developing news is concerned. Either ways, as I said, this could be a big day for N. Srinivasan, isn't it? Last year, he survived to be in his position as the BCCI chief, only recusing himself for a short period of time. But the findings in this report, regardless of the fact that there are 2, are not favorable to him. This could be a massive day and massive days ahead for him.
Absolutely, without question. I mean, you know, it's simple. If Gurunath Mayappan is deemed as principal or team owner, and if the committee finds that Gurunath Mayappan as team principal was betting against his own team or was revealing information about strategy or anything else to Vindu Dara Singh, it has very clear implications that as team owner he's brought the game of cricket into disrepute and Chennai Super Kings faces termination, you know, according to clause 11.3. And the current IPL chairman Ranjiv Biswal is on record. He's on record on 8th of October last year, the day this committee was appointed, that they will go by the recommendations of this committee. So clearly, if Gurunath Mayappan is deemed as principal or team owner and he was betting against his own team, Chennai Super Kings has, faces ban or suspension. Now, if that is the case, Mr. Srinivasan as team owner, managing director of India Cements, which owns Chennai Super Kings, obviously faces the flak big time. Now, I am intrigued by 3 questions, Shivani. 1. Will this report refer to the issue of conflict of interest within the BCCI, i.e., can Mr. Srinivasan sit in judgment of this report and adjudicate punishment to Chennai Super Kings? Will there be a conflict of interest mentioned in this report? 2. Will there be any particular match mentioned in the report that comes under the scanner of spot fixing and match fixing? We are very keen to know that. Will Chennai Super Kings be named or Rajasthan Royals be named in a particular match that, okay, so-and-so match comes under the scanner and further investigation needed? Because if you remember, the BCCI panel exonerated everybody, saying there's no case of match fixing or spot fixing.
Exactly.
Finally, what I'm intrigued to know is Gurunath Mayappan betting against his own team as team principal? If that is the case, it's high and dry. Mr. Srinivasan, either way, it's a huge day for Indian cricket. So we've got to wait and see.